Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum. I am Usman Kuala. I am student of Finance School, Kongi campus, and I am 13 year old. And I have four siblings, and I live in Karachi. And today's video topic is Upwork vs about both Upwork and Fiverr and what is the difference between Upwork and Fiverr. So let's start our video without any waste of time. So first of all, I will tell you about the 6 steps how Upwork is different from Fiverr. So let's start our video. So first of all, Upwork and Fiverr are both popular platforms for freelancers, but they differ in several key ways. So first step is type of services. Upwork is known for offering a wide range of freelancer services, including web development, graphic designing, writing, marketing, and more. But Fiverr, on the other hand, focuses on gigs, so which are smaller, more specific services or tasks such as logo design, voiceovers, or social media posters. So this is first step, and second is pricing structures. So Upwork typically changes freelancers a percentage of their earning, and as a services fees, so which varies depending on total amount billed to client. And on Fiverr, on the other hand, allows freelancers to set their own prices for their services, starting at five, hence the name, and five name, uh, uh, starting at five like Fiverr. So this name is starting from five, and we can start our work on Fiverr in. We can earn from Fiverr firstly for only $5, with additional options for upspellings. And a third point is the client interaction. On Upwork, freelancers often bid on projects posted by clients, and there is more direct communication between the freelancer and the client throughout the project. On Fiverr, clients browse through available gigs and place orders directly, with less direct communication before the order is placed. And and 4 point is quality vs quantity. So Upwork tends to attract freelancers who offer higher priced, higher quality services, while Fiverr is known for its quick, affordable, and often more basic services. And however, both platforms have freelancers of varying skills levels and price points. And 5 point is most important, payment protection, because every freelancer need a payment, and his payment need his payment protections. So Upwork offers a payment protection for both clients and freelancers through its escrow system, ensuring that payment is only released when both parties are satisfied with the work. And Fiverr also has a similar system in place, the protect both buyers and sellers. And the last point is freelancer profiles. And freelancer profiles is too much important for taking an orders. So on Upwork, freelancers create a detailed profile showcasing their skills, experience, and work history, which clients can review before hiring. And Fiverr also has freelancer profiles, but they are generally less detailed and focuses more services offered. So that's my 6 points between that. I think that this is the main difference between Fiverr and Work. So thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Pakistan Zindabad.